Hello, friends! Welcome to Sea Adventures, where the magic of the ocean comes to life. Today, join me as we dive deep into the fascinating world of sea animals. Our first guest is the largest animal on Earth, the magnificent blue whale. Known for its immense size and gentle nature, the blue whale can grow as long as a basketball court. Next, we encounter the master of disguise, the clever octopus. Watch closely as it changes color and texture to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. Did you know an octopus has three hearts? Now, let's swim with the playful dolphins. These intelligent mammals love to frolic and communicate through a series of clicks and whistles. They're known for their acrobatic jumps and tight knit social groups. Brace yourself as we encounter the mysterious great white shark. Don't worry, they're not as scary as they seem. Sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ocean ecosystem. Finally, we meet the colorful sea turtle. These ancient creatures have roamed the seas for millions of years. They're known for their beautiful shells and their ability to migrate thousands of miles. And that concludes our adventure today. We hope you enjoyed exploring the wonders of the sea with us. Which sea animals fascinated you most? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting sea adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and respecting our oceans. See you soon!